आइए दोस्तों करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 of practice set 2.5. You have to form the quadratic equation from the roots are given. Means we know that there are two roots of a quadratic equation, that is alpha and beta. So this is the value of alpha and beta. Okay, this is the value of alpha and beta. Now we are going to frame or form the quadratic equation. Now from the first, this is alpha and this is beta. So what is alpha? Alpha is equal to 0. Alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 4. Alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 4. Therefore, first we'll find the value of alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is what? 0 plus 4, which is equal to 4. And second we'll find alpha into beta, that is 0 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 0. And now we form the quadratic equation. Therefore, we will get x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta, this is equal to 0. So when roots are given, so we will use this formula, and therefore you will get x square minus, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is 4, so you write here 4, and then x plus alpha into beta is 0, this is equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus 0 is the required quadratic equation. Okay. Now we will solve the second one. In the second question, what is alpha? Alpha is 3. What is beta? Beta is minus 10. Now we find the value of alpha plus beta. 3 plus minus 10, which is equal to minus 7. What will be the value of alpha into beta? Alpha into beta, what is alpha? Alpha is 3 and beta is minus 10, so which is equal to minus 30. Now we'll frame the quadratic equation by using the formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, this is equal to 0. So therefore we will get required quadratic equation, that is x square minus alpha plus beta is minus 7, x plus alpha into beta is minus 30, this is equal to 0, and therefore x square, this minus minus becomes plus, you will get 7x plus minus minus 30, this is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation for second one. For third one, what is alpha? Alpha is 1 by 2 and beta is minus 1 by 2. So first we will find the value of alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is what? 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2. So addition of these two will be what? 0. Now we will find the alpha into beta. So this will be, alpha is what? 1 by 2 and beta is minus 1 by 2. So this will be minus 1 by 4. Okay. Alpha is 1 by 2 and beta is minus 1 by 2. So when you will multiply, you will get minus 1 by 4. And then we will write the formula. When roots are given, then how we will frame the quadratic equation? So x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta, this is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus alpha plus beta is 0, so 0x. Alpha into beta is minus 1 by 4, so 1 by 4 is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Okay, therefore x square minus 0x minus 1 by 4 is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Now we will solve the fourth one. In the fourth case, alpha is 2 minus root 5 and beta is 2 plus root 5. So first we will find the value of alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta, what is alpha? 2 minus root 5 plus what is beta? 2 plus root 5. Now minus root 5 plus root 5 will cancel out. So 2 plus 2 is what? 4. Now we find the value of alpha into beta. Alpha is 2 minus root 5. Beta is 2 plus root 5. Now here you can use the formula of a square minus b square, because this is a minus b, this is a plus b. So you will use your formula a square minus b square. So you will get 2 square minus root 5 this square. So 2 square will be 4 minus root 5 square will be minus 5, because square and root will cancel out. You will get minus 1. So value of alpha into beta is minus 1. Now you will write the formula, that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Now substitute the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Therefore, you will get x square minus alpha plus beta is 4. So you will get here 4x. Alpha into beta is minus 1. So you will get minus 1. This is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation when the roots are given. Okay, students. So this is the question number 4 of